This
Yes,
conference will now be recorded.
it's here.
Yes, one second, one second. Uh, can you please move to the top? Personal
Top
development.
personal.
Yeah, one second.
Wait. It's here.
Yeah, one second. Yeah, Ringu. Do you have any doubts in previous session?
Yes, I have.
Yeah,
Hmm. So, Srini, we have, as you said last time on Saturday, that we have done recruitment completely on Saturday and we will
yeah,
move on to the personal
personal development.
development.
Yeah,
But I have a question here, Srini. Look, workforce, we have done workforce requirement and advertising, and
yeah.
this node have some sub nodes like create option, sorry, create position. We
Position.
did
Yeah,
we did not done yet so far,
yeah.
and we
Okay.
did create media, create recruitment instrument, create address for recruitment instrument, and that's it. We did
Yeah.
not done applicant administration. We did that create personal
What
officer,
is
and I
applicant
have,
administration? Excuse me. Rinku,
yeah, uh-huh.
create create personal officer is in applicant administration. Both are same.
Okay, so I have one question here. When we
Yeah,
go move to the GUI, I'll show you one, because we
yeah.
can't explain here that question. I'll show you that
Yeah,
question.
please
You can
go to that.
understand. Okay, then we applicant structure. We did not do that. Create applicant group.
Into
Hmm.
under applicant structure, we have applicant group and ranges.
Yes,
Okay,
we didn't
it's
do that.
not it's not there. It's not an activity. It is an heading. Okay.
Applicant structure, yeah, but we can create a applicant groups. We can create a ranges by using
Yeah,
the
that's
basic
what.
setting.
Yeah. Please go back to the SAP IMG activity.
Hmm.
Go to the recruitment. SAP IMG activity.
IMG, okay.
Yeah.
But I have one question. Okay, let's
Yeah.
go.
Let me complete this. Then we'll go to next question. Okay.
Mhm.
Recruitment.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah. Go to applicant administration. Yeah. What is there under that?
Create
Create personal
personal.
officer. Have you
Mhm.
done or not?
We have done, Srini, but I have
That's
a
what.
question.
Yeah.
Wait. Just let me go here. Yes, I have a question here. Okay. Okay. So we may create it. Wait, 2021. Okay, so we created Ruchi as a personal administrator. So Ruchi should be visible in our system because we created, right? So I
Yes.
just, yeah, it should visible in the system. I'll show you. Just let me. Okay, so look here. Someone created HR admin, and his administrator is 003, as same as with the Krish and Carl and Darren Green, CJD,
Hmm.
CPH, and DJG. Okay, so these people, these administrator are visible in the system. When I go and I create a vacancy, a position which is already in the system, which I created last time, and I try to create that position vacant, and it asks me to assign a personal officer. When I click on that small icon, it
That
shows
is
that
different.
003.
That is different, Rinku. This is different. That is
Okay, wait.
personal officer. That is personal officer. Okay.
Mhm, mhm.
This is recruitment.
So we are creating these people, HR
These are
administration.
this is a standalone. Okay. This is standalone. We are creating these people. They are only responsible for creating recruitment. You are talking about hiring is different. Recruitment is different.
Okay, just give me a moment. I'll show you.
Yeah.
Just give me a moment.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, take your time.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just.
one second.
Okay.
Yeah, please open the recruitment.
Hmm. Just give me a moment.
Yeah,
It's closed.
please open the recruitment. Yeah. So please open applicant administration.
Wait.
Applicant administration.
Mhm.
Yeah, you told that we have not covered applicant administration. So they have
Yeah.
just mentioned. Yeah.
Yes, I said just give me a moment. I want to see this
Hmm.
personnel officer. Okay.
Then you should tell me. I have a doubt about create personal officer activity, not
Yes,
applicant administration. Under
I
applicant
said
administration,
when
yeah,
we were here. Just give me a moment.
yeah, and you also
When we
told,
were here, I said create personal officer. I have a doubt for him, and I'll show you in a GUI. I said that, right?
yeah.
So
Okay,
that's I'm trying to
yeah,
ask you here. Just give
yes,
me a moment. Okay.
yes, take it.
System. I'll show you because I did everything at home. Where is the okay, Srini here in organizational management. Here is the position under expert mode. I am
Yeah,
double clicking on this position node
mm,
and it takes me here, right? A maintain
mm,
position
yeah,
interface, right? So what I'll do is I created one position in my company which I created 4 days back, and I have its number 50015483.
mm,
So this position I created. Okay, it's a chief finance officer, as you can
very
see
good.
here.
Yeah, I
And
can see.
then because I just because this is I just assume that my recruitment and that OM, these are the integrated with each other. Here recruitment is not a sole, it's not a stand alone.
Yeah,
So I have a both in my company, and I created that client, and in that
mm,
client I have a chief finance officer. I created that position, and this position is going to vacant. So for
mm,
that I am using a recruitment my software help, and I created that this position vacant. So for that
yeah,
I went here, I'm going to create this position vacant here by using my recruitment. When I come to here, create vacancy at the top of this
mm,
screen, you can say a create vacancy. So you did not teach me at all. Okay, Srini, sorry for being rude, but this is the fact that I learned this thing on my own. You did not
very good.
explain me that OM and recruitment, they can work, they are integrated if your company have a OM. If you don't have a OM in your company, then recruitment work standalone. You did not explain anything. I am working from last 2 days on this recruitment, and you won't believe how much hard work I have done last 2 3 days,
Mm,
which your job to teach me. You did not teach me. Even you did not explain. Rinku, these things work together. It even recruitment can work alone, Rinku. I don't know. I told you. Sorry, Srini, I'm not very good in speaking English, but I want to speak in a Hindi so I can explain myself very well. So
yeah,
श्रीनी यहाँ मैं वैकेंसी क्रिएट करने जा रही हूँ। तो मैं जब यहाँ
mm,
क्रिएट करूंगी तो मुझे ओपन पे क्लिक करना चाहिए, ना कि वैकेंसी फील्ड, क्योंकि ये मेरी वैकेंसी ओपन है। सो मैं ओपन पे क्लिक करके और मैं यहाँ जाती हूँ। जब मैं इसको सेव करती हूँ तो ये मुझे एक और विंडो खुलेगी। यहाँ पे ये देखिए, इसी क्रिएट
mm,
वैकेंसी में एक विंडो और खुलती है, और इस विंडो में आप देखेंगे वैकेंसी है, ये वैकेंसी है जो ओएम के अंदर हम क्रिएट करने जा रहे हैं। स्टार्ट डेट ये रहेगी, इस तारीख से ये वैकेंसी वेकेंट रहेगी। इसके
okay,
बाद में
very
यहाँ
good.
दो ऑप्शन आते हैं, सॉरी।
Yeah, very good, Rinku.
सो यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शन आएंगे, एक आएगा पर्सनल ऑफिसर, एक आएगा लाइन मैनेजर। आपने मुझे
Yeah,
नहीं बताया पर्सनल ऑफिसर क्या होता है। मैंने यहाँ पे रिसर्च करके पता किया कि पर्सनल ऑफिसर का काम ये होता है, लाइन मैनेजर का काम ये होता है। और जब आप वैकेंसी क्रिएट करने जा रहे हो तो आपको यहाँ पे पर्सनल ऑफिसर देना पड़ेगा, आपको यहाँ पे लाइन मैनेजर भी देना पड़ेगा। तो मैं जब यहाँ पे क्लिक करती हूँ इस छोटे से आइकन के ऊपर, तो ये मुझे दिखाता है कि ये है एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर बाबा, इनको आप पर्सनल ऑफिसर कहेंगे, ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर जो आप पीछे क्रिएट करे हैं। तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ HR 003 CJD CPH DGG और PAY ही दिख रहा है। मेरा कहाँ गया? 2021 जो मैंने आपने रुचि क्रिएट किया, आपका देख के मैंने मेरा रिंकू भी क्रिएट किया। यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं नजर आ रहा? बाकी का तो आ रहा है, बाकी ने तो किया है, मेरा क्यों नहीं
These
नजर आ
are,
रहा?
yeah, these are the standards, Rinku, which the SAP system has provided these.
तो आप कह रहे हैं कि ये जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन्होंने क्रिएट नहीं किया?
नहीं, these are the standard things. अभी आप
सिस्टम इन द सेंस किसी ने तो किया होगा ना?
no, you need to have authorizations to create standard things.
ओके, ठीक है, फाइन, आई गॉट इट। सो ये यहाँ पे नहीं दिखेगा, ओके फाइन। पर श्रेणी आपको मुझे बताना चाहिए ना कि वैकेंसी को ओएम के अंदर आपकी अगर कंपनी ने ओएम और रिक्रूटमेंट दोनों लिया है, तो आप अपनी इस कंपनी के ओएम में पोजीशन को ऐसे वेकेंट क्रिएट करके और यहाँ सेव करेंगे। मुझे नहीं पता था। अब और आपने इतना करने के बाद इधर आए,
Yeah,
आप इधर मैं एक
Rinku,
बार सिलेबस में आती हूँ, इधर आए
Rinku,
यहाँ।
once, yeah, but yeah, next.
हाँ, ये आपने क्रिएट किया है। चलिए ठीक है, आपने अभी डाउट क्लियर कर दिया कि चलिए इस सिस्टम में क्रिएट किया गया, फाइन, दैट्स फाइन। फिर इसके बाद नीचे एप्लीकेंट स्ट्रक्चर के अंडर में ये एप्लीकेंट ग्रुप क्रिएट करना, इनके एप्लीकेंट की रेंजेस क्रिएट करना। आपने मुझे बताया ही नहीं है कि पहला ये प्रोसेस रहता है। देखो, वर्कफोर्स रिक्वायरमेंट का मतलब होता है आपकी या तो कंपनी के अंदर डिपार्टमेंट में कोई पोजीशन वेकेंट हो गई है, तो आप उस पोजीशन को किस तरीके से रिक्रूटमेंट को यूज करते हुए अपने उस सिस्टम में रखेंगे, आपने मुझे बताया ही नहीं। उसके बाद में चलिए, क्रिएट पोजीशन आपने एक्सप्लेन ही नहीं की, आप डायरेक्ट आ गए क्रिएट मीडिया पर। आपने बोला इस तरीके से काम किया जाता है, बट एटलीस्ट काम करने से पहले आपको पूरा डिस्टिंग्विश करना चाहिए कि रिक्रूटमेंट स्टैंड अलोन भी काम करता है, रिक्रूटमेंट ओएम के साथ भी काम करता है। अगर ये ओएम के साथ हम इसको यूज कर रहे हैं तो देखिए, ये पोजीशन है, इस पोजीशन को हम कैसे वेकेंट कर सकते हैं और इस तरीके से हम सिस्टम में इसको सेव कर सकते हैं, फाइन। उसके बाद में चलिए, आपने स्टैंड अलोन कैसे काम करता है आपने पूरा ये पूरा समझा दिया, पर्सनल ऑफिसर, फाइन। उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या रहेगा? अगर कोई एप्लीकेंट आपकी कंपनी के अंदर अप्लाई करता है, तो उसके बाद एप्लीकेंट के स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर का हम क्रिएट एप्लीकेंट ग्रुप कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे, उनको एप्लीकेंट का रेंजेस कैसे देंगे, एटलीस्ट आपको एक्सप्लेन तो करना चाहिए। क्लास एंड होती है आपने, और ये क्रिएट अनसॉलिसिटेड एप्लीकेशन ग्रुप, इवन एप्लीकेशन स्टेटस, स्टेटस के अंतर्गत वहां नीचे 4-5 नोड और हैं। आपने वो नोट जो है यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है, बस आपने खाली हेडिंग यहाँ पे ला करके एक्चुअली रख दिया है। मैं आपको बताती हूँ, जस्ट गिव मी वेयर इज इट, इट्स हियर, जस्ट गिव मी अ मोमेंट। ओके, सो एप्लीकेशन स्टेटस जो ये इसका आपने सब ग्रुप यहाँ लिखे नहीं है। चेंज स्टेटस टेक्स्ट, क्रिएट स्टेटस रीजंस, सेट परमिसिबल स्टेटस रीजंस फॉर ईच एप्लीकेंट स्टेटस, यहाँ पर लिखा नहीं है, आपने सिर्फ हेडिंग लिख दी, फाइन। पर आपने ये भी एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया, और इतना कुछ भी एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया, और लास्ट क्लास को सैटरडे को आप बोलते हैं ओके रिंकू हमारा रिक्रूटमेंट खत्म हो गया है, नेक्स्ट मैंने पूछा आप क्या करेंगे, तो आपने बोला हम पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट में जाएंगे। तो हमारा ये इतना तो हमने अभी कंसेप्ट क्लियर ही नहीं किया, ये सब चीजें क्या है, किस तरीके से इनको हम जनरेट करेंगे। बाबा एटलीस्ट आप मुझे इतना एक्सप्लेन तो करें, आपने कुछ एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया। देन यहाँ पे आए, यहाँ पे राधा ने मुझे जस्ट हाँ, राधा ने ये डॉक्यूमेंट शेयर किया है। मैं तो पढ़ लूंगी, मुझे पढ़ना आता है, मैं स्ट्रगल करके 5-6 दिन लगा करके इसको गूगल पे सर्च करके मैं रिसर्च कर लूंगी, मैं तो कर लूंगी। बट एज अ ट्रेनर, एज अ टीचर, आपकी जिम्मेदारी होती है कि एटलीस्ट इसको पढ़ के एक बार समझा तो दें। लुक रिंकू, आपका वीडियो मैंने पुराना देखा, चारू का वीडियो, चारू के वीडियो में आप एससीपी का ये पूरा लेते हैं, आप इसको पूरा एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, फिर आप बोलते हैं कि ओके आप घर पे बैठ के दोबारा पढ़िएगा और समझने की कोशिश करिएगा। मेरे टाइम में तो आप कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप जस्ट मुझे बोलते हैं ओके ये डॉक्यूमेंट शेयर किया गया है, इधर मैं शेयर करूंगा या जो है आपके पास होगा, आप इसको पढ़ लें घर पे। सो एज ए टीचर आपकी जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि एक स्ट्रक्चर तो मेरे सामने रखें कि देखो ये रिक्रूटमेंट है, इसके ये 2 पार्ट्स हैं, एक ओएम के साथ रहेगा, एक स्टैंड अलोन रहेगा। अगर स्टैंड अलोन रहता है तो इसको इस तरीके से जो है फिल किया जाता है सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर। अगर हम ओएम के साथ है तो ये देखो पोजीशन, हमने रिंकू शिप्स में पोजीशंस की है, इसको इस तरीके से स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपको करने के लिए कोई नहीं बोल रहा है, पर एटलीस्ट आप मुझे स्क्रीन में शो करके दिखाएंगे तो ना एज ए ट्रेनर। सो मेरे दिमाग में एक पाथ बनेगा, ओके ये मेरा पाथ है और मुझे इस पे चलना है, ना कि मैं राइट लेफ्ट अप डाउन सेंटर देख करके उस ओशन में डूबती ही चली जाती हूँ। थिंग्स डजंट वर्क इन दैट वे। आई नो, मैंने कभी
Thank you.
एसएपी नहीं किया, पर मुझे पता है एज ए टीचर हमारे को बच्चे को एक पाथ देना पड़ता है कि ये देखो ये तुम्हारा पाथ है बच्चा, और इस पे तुम्हें चलना है। तुम्हें पहले अल्फाबेट सीखना है, फिर तुम्हें वर्ड्स बनाना सीखना है, तुमको उसके बाद सेंटेंस बनाना सीखना है। मैं डायरेक्ट बच्चे को ये नहीं बोलती ओके सेंटेंस बनाना शुरू करो। सो थिंग्स
Okay.
डजंट वर्क इन दैट वे, श्रेणी।
Yeah.
सॉरी आई एम बीइंग रूड
No,
एंड
no, no. Whatever you want to share, please share with me. Then only I'll be knowing, right? I'm very happy that you are very open and you are sharing your feelings.
so yeah. So
Yeah.
I can create. I just created earlier like यहाँ पे मैंने I just given that HR admin because I didn't have any option and I just saved it. So it shows that yeah this weekends actually it's here like previous record will be delimited at end. Do you want to save? So I just wanted to show you that this vacancy is going to be vacant in my system. So yeah, that's how it shows that green mark here that
Yeah.
this chief finance officer, that post is vacant from date 14/4 because right now we just overwritten it, so that's why showing that 14/4/2021. So yeah, that's how I learn on my own.
Very
Okay,
good. Very good. You have learned many things, but I have a question. Can I ask you?
yeah, please go ahead.
Rinkuji, can I ask you?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. Why you came to expert mode and did all the things?
Sorry.
आप expert mode में आके position क्यों create किया? Why you wasted 2 days of time doing this?
तो यही तो बोल रही हूँ ना कि जब ट्रेनर मुझे एक पाथ नहीं बताता है कि इस पाथ पे चलना है तो मैं राइट लेफ्ट अप डाउन देखती हूँ और
There could
कितना
be
बड़ा
some
ओशन
reason,
फील।
right? There, see, I told you to practice only the things which I taught you. And you know, if you just listen to the last class recordings, I told you to do some research. You asked some question, and आपको मैंने बोला कि आप थोड़ा research करो, Google करो. वो research नहीं किया, आप दूसरा research किया.
ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि मेरा कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं हुआ, मैंने कहा कि यार ये
No, sir.
पोजीशन
See,
दिया
this is
है
an
यहाँ।
ocean. It's not possible for a trainer to make you each and every concept clear. Okay, trainer का अपना तरीका होता है पढ़ाने का, समझाने का. Okay, you should learn with your open mind because you already know SAP. You know many things in SAP. Okay, so when you know many things in SAP, when you know many people who are in SAP, you get more queries, more answers, support. ये सब ज़्यादा पढ़ने से you are now when I'm teaching, I only stick to what are the points I should teach to you. Okay, but when you ask doubt something which is related to job support or something which is related to some issue, okay, which we cannot explain you in the session. Okay, I appreciate you have knowledge, but you know with that knowledge you already have something in your knowledge. You know many things in SAP. Okay, it's not possible for a trainer to create, you know, like clarify all your curiosities and doubts. First, let me complete my activities, then I'll explain you. Okay, the reason you asked. In other videos, I first teach the theory, then I'll go to the practicals. But in your case, I've chosen only the practicals, not touching the theory part. Because let me make you expert in customizing, then I can go to the theory part. Okay, so only learn what is required now. I'm not going to, you know, like, so slowly you'll understand my teaching method. I don't find fault in asking all the things. Okay, but only restrict yourself. Don't waste time in Googling many things. Rinkoji,
Okay, so I
you're not
just
from you're not from HR background. You're not from HR background. You don't have
बिल्कुल,
functional experience.
yes you
So
are
there
right.
are many things I need to take in consideration before teaching you some new concepts. Okay, So generally, what are the people who will be learning SAP? They should have minimum 3 years of executive experience or supervisory experience in HR activity. Functional experience they should have. Okay. So they should have the functional experience of working as a HR executive. In HR department, they should work minimum 3 years to understand the process, to understand the business process, to understand the requirements. Okay. So once they have 3 years of experience, then only they should learn SAP HR. In your case, you don't have HR experience. You don't have relevant SAP. You are not MBA HR, right?
You're right.
You are into law background. So I need to choose a different path to explain you and make you expert. So it's different for different people. So generally, all my students are HR experts.
Okay.
HR experts who have thorough knowledge of all the concepts. Okay. Who have thorough knowledge of all the concepts. उन लोगों को just I will give the review and I'll teach the activities. But in your case, it is different. You are from law background. You don't have experience in HR, right? And you are very determined. Okay, आप जल्दी में सीखना है, job करने का है. Okay, you have that stress on you.
No,
And
I
you are
don't have
always
any
thinking,
stress, Srini.
no,
Sorry to interrupt you. I don't
yeah,
have any stress for the job. But
okay, सुनो
I'm not in a
you
stress
see,
actually. I'll take my
this
time
is
like 5 months, 6 months,
this
doesn't
is
matter for me.
HR. People who have 10 years of experience also, they are a learners. Every day it's a learning activity like your law. Okay, it's not possible. It is an integrated software. If you want to execute one activity, you need to have basis consultant, you need to have FI consultant. It's not possible to have the entire output. You take MM, you take FI. It's not possible to teach everything what the student expect to. It's not possible. Okay, that's what Radha told. No, I think you have given some research. She's doing some homework. She's doing research. I thought 2 days what she's doing, I don't know. Okay, unnecessarily you're taken stress of doing research. Don't do research. Just learn what I'm teaching. That will be more sufficient to get you a job. Okay, if you start thinking deep, it's not possible. Okay, and you have come to the expert mode to fill the position. We have not covered expert mode. Did I taught you expert mode?
Sorry, what did you say?
Did I explain you expert mode? What is expert mode?
Uh,
No.
we have done simple maintenance.
Yeah, we have done simple maintenance organization modeling. So you are using your own research. Don't do research. You are paid to learn, not to research.
So
Okay,
one
Ritu.
question here, Srini. This is
Yeah.
the SAP Easy Access. So
Yes.
as a
This will
consultant,
be this will be used only by the end users. I'll tell you one thing, Ritu. There are 3 kinds of training in SAP. End user training is different. End user, if you are trying for end user job, you need to take an end user training. That is exclusively different. Okay, you are here to learn consulting course, not end user activity course. Okay, if you want to become a trainer, that is a different course we have. Who want to teach SAP HR, that is a different course. Who want to learn as an end user, some people will be there, they'll be trying only for end user job. Okay, who are eligible for end user job, who has now people who are working in USA as an end user, means who are an HR executive, HR admin, payroll admin. If they learn end user, the company will give the training to them, internal training, and they'll promote as an end user. People who are already working in HR, general HR, they will be given training on end user activities and they will be observed as an end user. So you asked it on that day, will be doing any activities from SAP Easy Access. I told that is an end user activity. It is not part of our job. But if you really want to do, if I find any document which will really help you, I'll send a document. Okay. And if you get a time, please Google it. I told about end user activities. But you have done research on something which is not discussed. Rinku, just listen to the recording. I told you clearly. Why I told you to research that also, because you told your husband company is having a job. Your husband company is having a job. If I want to get a job, what? So I told it's very tough. You have a standalone and a different recruitment model. You need to be expert in that. Most of the thing end user activities will be there. You please Google it. I will explain about end user activities. You find some end user document, then you will be able to understand each and everything. You will be finding some examples so that you can work on that. So I told you to only Google it, not to spend 2 days of your energy and time. Don't see. I am there to put efforts about you. Don't put efforts. Just simply follow the path. Simply do the activities. Are you expert in what I am teaching? Do you have any doubts in that? You ask me. Okay, I'm here to help you.
Okay,
Don't
so
explore.
then tell me here, Srini, here is a
Yeah,
one node under the workforce requirement and the
yeah,
advertising, a create position. So we did
yeah,
not work on this
yeah.
create
Yes,
position.
what I told. Already we have created position in organization management. Okay, we have created a position in organization management.
Mm-hmm.
Have you created or not a position in organization management?
Yeah,
Consultant,
we
SAP HR
yes.
consultant.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. When I not told me there will be a reason. Don't ask me why you not thought me this. It is
So
there. Okay.
so why they are keeping create position under the recruitment?
I
This
told
is
you
the
to read
part
the
of the OM.
document.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay. There will be many things such that I told you there are two activities to create payroll area. You use the first one, not to use the second one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
There are many things which are there in the menu which may be useful to you, which may not be useful to you. Only focus on the things what is required.
Hmm.
Okay, if you go on drilling everything, then you will be getting many things. Many things. Okay. So
Hmm.
from this time onwards, don't go and research and waste your energy. I'm feeling very sad about you have spent 2 days of your energy. Without any guidance, you keep on drilling on the activities, which is not very so important of investing 2 days of your time. Okay.
Hmm.
It is a simple one to
So
create a
here,
position.
Srini, I'm
Yes.
in the SPRO position, a create position organizational assignment. So
See,
why they are keeping here when people
just
are
ignore that.
already
Ignore that, Ringu. Just ignore that. Ignore it.
hmm.
Don't use your creativity in SAP. Okay. Don't
Hmm.
use your creativity. Don't use your intelligence. Just blindly follow the trainer. Okay.
Hmm.
If I'm not teaching me, there is a reason. I'll explain you at appropriate time. Okay.
Okay.
Please don't put your energy.
Hmm.
Yeah. Please come to the personal development.
So one question, our recruitment is done here.
Yeah.
That's it.
Recruitment is done here.
Okay. So we did
Yeah.
not work on the applicant selection and
See
here.
what?
Yeah.
See, 1 second. Open applicant selection.
Where is
What we have not done in applicant selection? Applicant structure.
it? Wait. Applicant structure just
Don't focus on what we have not done right now immediately.
applicant.
I'm not going to leave you like that. Okay. Whatever is there in that, we will be covering. Don't be in a hurry.
No, I'm not in a hurry, Srini.
Uh,
I think you are in a hurry because
I'm not in
when
a
we
hurry.
started working here in a recruitment and we are creating positions, recruitment instrument, then मेरे दिमाग में एक बन गया है कि okay हम ऐसे position create
That's what
करेंगे
I'm
तो
telling
obviously
you. See, your mind is full of queries and doubts. Empty your mind and sit in the class. Okay. Well, I'm not, I'm telling you, you asked me on the same day. We'll discuss later. I'll tell you why we will not be using this. We already created a position in OM. Again, you're asking the same questions.
sorry
Again, you're asking the same questions. Okay.
what what same questions I didn't get it.
Creating position, again, you're asking, sir, you have not covered this.
Hmm.
Every day,
Because
Radha is messaging me, sir, I think you have not covered this. I told, okay.
क्योंकि देखो
It is
श्रेणी
a
अगर मुझे अगर जॉब रिक्रूटमेंट के बेसिस पे मिलती है देन मैं
रिक्रूटमेंट के बेस में ये ट्रेनिंग में नहीं मिलेगा आपको जॉब. दिस इज अ जनरल कोर्स. If you want to try a job in recruitment, you need to learn recruitment for 6 months.
ओके
Okay, this is you can't get a job in recruitment because recruitment is huge model. It is a live Live exercises should be there. You don't have an experience in recruitment. You don't know knowledge of recruitment. Okay, you are not worked as an end user. You are not worked as a consultant. To get a job in recruitment, you require a lot of knowledge, which is highly impossible. Don't focus on that. It's not possible. It's not possible to get a job with training because you don't have HR experience, recruiter experience, you don't have functional knowledge. Without that, you can't get a job. Okay, this course is an integrated course. This course is an integrated course where you can try for a job with 1 year of experience. After completion of the course, you will be having a knowledge as if you have worked for a 1 year as an HR associate consultant. But to get a job as a recruiter, you need to have minimum 3 years of experience, 4 years of experience that you will not be able to fulfill. To get a job also, you will be having a lot of struggle. Every day you will be doing research after your job. Every day it's the tension. Okay.
Yes, yeah.
The training and job is a lot of difference. To get a job, you need to have minimum 3, 4, 5 years of resume experience. Resume you can claim, but in the real time there is a lot of difference. Okay.
So Srini, I have a question here then.
Yeah.
Then मेरे को रिक्रूटमेंट का नॉलेज थोड़ा सा है, हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
मेरे को
Yeah.
पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट का हो जाएगा, पीए का, ओएम का, टीएम का और पीवाई का हो गया.
Yeah.
तो मेरे पास तो कोई एक्सपीरियंस तो है नहीं, बट
Yeah.
मुझको तो सिर्फ खाली एक आईडीईएस के ऊपर सिर्फ वर्क किया हुआ है, जस्ट नॉलेज है कि सॉफ्टवेयर
IDS
काम
नहीं.
कैसे करता है. देन हु इज गोइंग टू गिव मी अ जॉब एज ए एनालिस्ट?
You have to try. You need to put your efforts. Not recruitment. You try on OM and PA. Initially, you try for personal administration or OM jobs. That will be easy for you to get and to work. Or if you get a job also, again you need to hire someone who can support for on-job support. Do you know on-job support people?
You tell me.
Rinko?
You
On-job
tell me.
support. Yeah. So you got a job. You are unable to do that. If you don't do that, they'll be firing the consultant, right? Let us say that you claim that you have science experience and luckily you got a job. The requirement was very urgent and you got a job, right? You are unable to do the job. You will be having a stress. I got job, but I'm unable to do. A trainer go. You can't tell to the trainer because you have not taught me all the things. You got a job, you're happy, you have to do it. You will find someone who can help you in the job. Okay. Whatever the issues you have, whatever the activities you have, you find someone who is experienced, who is willing to help you, experienced and who is willing to help you, and for certain amount. Okay. So you have some job, okay, that is on-job support. That is called on-job support. Your salary is so and so. Part of the salary you pay to that person. He will be there for you 24/7 on WhatsApp or Google, any chatting. Whenever you have a queries, they will help you. Okay. That's what people do. Or else, if you are lucky, you'll get a good colleague, senior colleague, they will support you. Okay. It's not that only doing the course, everyone will get a job. It's highly impossible to get a job with training. It
Yep.
will only take you to certain level, but it will never get you a job. Okay. By in OM and PA, basic things, associate consultant, you'll get into that. But associate consultant jobs are very less. You require all the positions are experts only. Okay. Experts, you need to have internal knowledge, internal integration knowledge, ABAP knowledge, basis knowledge. You need to have a teamwork knowledge, everything, right? Which is practically impossible for any trainer, any participant to expert in such a less time with such a less amount of investment. Okay, you know what is the fees for SAP certification? In Indian currency, it is around 3 lakhs plus.
In
Do you think
certification here is only certification fees is $250 for the exam.
Oh, not, I'm not talking about exam in India, not in USA.
Okay.
Examination, that is an examination fees. 3 lakhs plus change. They will not teach you the activities. They will only teach you the theory part. They will show you the slides. Okay, people who already joined in SAP also, they come and learn practicals outside. They will not demand there, oh, we have paid 3 lakhs. Why are you not teaching the practicals? Why are you not teaching this? You have a module wise training. Okay, they have a module wise training. Still, they are not expert in practicals. They are very good in conceptual wise. Okay. Here I am trying to make you practically to certain level. So that theory you can learn from anywhere, right? Practical concept you will not get from others. But theory concept you can get from Google, you can buy a book and you can read. Isn't it, Rinku? Okay. So I told you to research only on end user activity of the recruitment. आप ठीक से नहीं सुना होगा शायद. I thought maybe you are doing in that you have a job requirement there. She may be in urgency to get a job. So I was in that impression. Yesterday I was ready to take the class and Radha told, sir, I think you have given some work. She's doing research. It doesn't mean that itna research kya kar rahe hai? I was just thinking. Okay. Yeah. There are so many activities, Rinku. If you open and going, there is an, you have many things. But standard, there are some syllabus which are to be taught to the consultants who want to go for a job. Okay.
So,
yeah.
When we started our class in maybe in PA, I think you told me to go and check the info system here in SAP Easy Access. You told me like it here information system.
But I have not covered. That is a one minute activity, Rinku. Even Radha was telling. Radha was telling. Reports. The syllabus also it is there reports.
But this is the end user work. Why we were working on the SAP Easy Access at that time?
Just
Because you said
just to have some knowledge.
Okay, only for the knowledge, but consultant are not going to work in here on the information system, right?
Yes.
Okay. Because you shown me birthday list and all that, so I thought I'm going to create a report.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
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 Yes, you are audible. Hello.
Really? Hello.
You are talking to me?
Hello.
Yes, you are audible, Srini.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So Radha was telling, sir, I think you are not covered info system. What is there? It is a 1 minute activity. Okay. So all the individuals activities, I was supposed to tell you to explore. First I'll show you, then I'll explain you to explore. These are about reports, self-explanatory. If you just do it once, you'll be able to understand what is there in info system. Please click on info systems.
Reports, reporting tools and settings.
Yeah. Only reports. Okay. Personal management, personal administration. Last time we have done about the date of birth, right? Employee. So there are so many reports. Whenever you need a report, the end user will open it and use it. Okay. What is there in this to teach? We have selected one birthday list, right? I've shown you how to go for a birthday list and show you. In your free time, just try to explore this. You didn't ask me the question. These are all totally end user activities.
So give me one scenario where we can use the reports. By using report, we can do a job.
There is
Just
no
give me one
scenario.
or two.
See, end user report. These are all the scenarios. Whatever you see on this system, these are all the scenarios. When you want telephone directory, as per your requirement, okay. So these are the different scenarios. SAP has already given you so many scenarios which are ready-made. Whatever the requirements the end users may be having, all the reports are available here. Hello?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay. So these are the different scenarios.
Hmm.
What do you mean by the scenario, Rinku?
Just give me one example. Like, if this kind of situation will come up, then you will use a birthday list by opening a report,
Yeah,
employee.
this question, HR knowledge person will not ask this
Yeah,
question.
yeah, you're
Okay.
right. They won't ask, but
Yeah,
I have no experience. So yeah,
you
that's
have
why
no
I'm asking.
experience. Yeah.
Yeah, it just
So
looks
the,
silly, I know. But
no, no,
yeah.
no, not silly, not silly, not silly, not silly. Birthday list. Okay. You want to send a greetings to all the people who are born in this month.
Hmm.
Then they may be using birthday list, or they want to give, let us say that due to pandemic situation, I'm telling you, they want to ask all the employees who are age of 40 and above or
Hmm.
45 and above to take a VRS. Example, I'm giving one scenario, not in
Hmm.
USA,
Got it.
general examples.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
And family members. Okay. Some girl will come and claim that she is a family member.
Hmm.
They need to verify, right? The person has
Yes.
left, he is
Hmm.
absconding for 7 years
Hmm.
or 5 years. Okay.
Hmm.
After 6 months, one lady comes and I'm a family member of so and so.
Hmm.
So they need to prove the details, right? So
Hmm.
based on the requirement, they will be using this. There is nothing scenario. Whenever they have a requirement, they will use it.
Hmm. Yes,
Okay.
got it. Hmm.
Yeah.
Got
Please
it.
come to this. Yeah. Okay. So these are only for you to understand. Okay.
Hmm.
So many
Hmm.
reports are there. I told you also. There
Hmm.
are so many reports, but the company wants some report which is not available in the list.
Hmm.
Then the ABAPer and SAP HR consultant and an ABAP HR consultant, they sit together and they will
Hmm.
develop a report.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So three
Hmm.
people are required to develop a report: a technical person, a functional person, and the business expert.
Hmm.
The business expert will tell you about the what is the requirement which is not there in SAP.
Hmm.
Okay. Then the HR consultant will understand the requirement and he will
Hmm.
write a requirement specification. Then he will take the ABAPer help to develop the screens. As an SAP
Hmm.
HR consultant, you will not be able to do that. You require a ABAP HR consultant to write the programs.
Hmm.
So these three people will sit and they will develop the program. It is not an only the SAP HR consultant. To develop
Hmm.
certain program, the basis person will give you the authorizations, whether you are allowed to do that activity or not. If you are not
Hmm.
allowed, you will give the authorizations.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm. Yes, got it.
Yeah.
So, what should
Okay.
I do now?
Today, you just tomorrow I'll take the class. Maybe what is tomorrow?
Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday. Yeah, I'll take class tomorrow. One thing, Rinku,
Hmm.
I told you you are very determined, you are very focused, you are very, like, don't put a lot of strain on this. Don't try to crack this. Okay. Simply follow it. The more you think, the more you get confused. Okay. The more
Yeah.
you think, the more you get confused, and they have, experts have designed the syllabus for people who want to get into SAP HR consulting job. Okay.
Hmm.
There are many things, as I told you in the day one also. We are covering only a part of SAP. SAP is an ocean. Okay. First, focus on what is required. Once you
Hmm.
cover all the things, then you can explore on your own. Okay.
Hmm.
If you want to participate in the sports, you need to go in the school level. But to get
Hmm.
a job, you need to go to the state level,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So there is a gap. I am teaching you at the school level, but your focus is on the state level.
Hmm.
Okay. First you do this, then automatically you can focus on your own.
Hmm.
I don't know whether I'm trying to make you understand or not. As a student, I'm not pointing about your curiosity. I'm worried about your stress and the hard work you're putting. You don't require hard work.
You know,
Yeah.
यहाँ पे क्या है कि एक क्वेश्चन यूं आता है श्रीनी कि
जी.
मैंने अभी तक जो भी सीखा, ठीक है, फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग, ओके, आई एम नॉट अ पर्सन हु हाइड थिंग्स फ्रॉम द पीपल,
नहीं
ओके।
नहीं see,
सो मैंने अभी तक मेरे एक वीडियो से सीखा है। उस वीडियो में ट्रेनर सेम सेम द वे यू आर टीचिंग, उसी तरीके से उसमें ट्रेनर सिखाता है और वो स्टेप बाय स्टेप चीजों को बताता है। पीए में
okay.
जब वो बताता है तो वो सब कुछ बताता है कि इसमें इन्फो टाइप्स क्या हैं, टी कोड क्या है।
Hmm.
पहले वो टी कोड से शुरू करेगा। टी कोड्स में
So
पीए,
wait,
ओएम, टीएम,
wait,
पीवाई।
wait,
हाँ।
wait, wait. That is for the people who don't have any knowledge on SAP.
हम्म,
But you learned on videos, then you join this course, right?
हम्म,
Am I right or wrong?
या यू आर राइट।
Yeah, that is a problem here. Generally I'll not teach the person who already have a knowledge on SAP or people who are already working. I'll confirm that before taking up an assignment if they already learn anything because they will learn from different way. My way of teaching is different, other trainers' way of teaching different. So when you already know, in the first class only he was asking info types, this, that. So you have a knowledge. Okay, when you have a knowledge, there is no point in teaching you that. So I thought, okay, we'll explain that in the later. First, complete in the customization. You already have some knowledge. That is enough for me to go ahead with this. Theoretical concept, you don't have the HR background. Okay, and you are more of curiosities. That will take a lot of time. First, I'll make you expert in activities. Then I want to focus on the theoretical part. But every day you are thinking in your own style. Okay, as I told you, it is very tough for a person like you who is a kinesthetic learner to satisfy your requirements. If you just go back and listen to our first recording, you'll be knowing that you are a kinesthetic kind of a person. Unless and until
यस।
you satisfy that, you'll not go ahead. I told you, please just follow, don't strain. Just do these activities, but still you are doing research. Let me complete
So
the course.
I just want, let me complete my statement, Srini, which I was trying to complete.
Sorry, yeah, बोलिए आप.
So when I, तो उस वीडियो को जब देखा तो मुझे पता चला कि मेरा कोई बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, पर उस वीडियो को देखने से मुझे पता चला कि बैकएंड में ये सिस्टम एक दूसरे से, ये मॉड्यूल जो पीएओएम है, ये एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्टेड है। और मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला था कि मैंने उस वीडियो का टीएम और पीवाई अभी देखा भी नहीं है, पर मुझे ये ऑब्वियस है कि ये सब एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट है। ऑब्वियसली कि पीए
Yes,
में ऑब्वियसली कनेक्टेड है, राइट?
yeah, connected. Yes, I'm
ऑब्वियसली
not saying it's
कनेक्टेड
not
है।
connected, right?
और
Hmm.
और और आप समझें, उसमें एक कंपनी लेता है, ट्रेनर एक कंपनी को वो पूरा अपनी तरफ से दिखाता है कि इसका ये एरिया होगा, ये सब एरिया होगा, इसमें
Hmm.
एम्प्लॉय होंगे।
अब
एम्प्लॉय
नहीं
किस
दिखा है
तरीके
क्या?
से ओएम में,
Have we
सॉरी,
not covered that? Have we not covered that?
हमने कवर किया है पर हमने बिट्स बिट्स किया है।
क्यों किया
हम
है?
सिस्टम में नहीं देख पा रहे हैं कि ये कंपनी कैसे सिस्टम में आएगी ओएम में। इस कंपनी में हमने जो स्टार्टिंग से जो पर्सनल सब एरिया लिया है, अब देखिए उसके एम्प्लॉय का हम टाइम मैनेजमेंट कैसे करेंगे। ये टाइम मैनेजमेंट देखिए इस तरीके से ये आएगा। उन्हीं एम्प्लॉय का हम पेरोल कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे, देखिए सिस्टम में इस तरीके से आएगा। तो ये कनेक्शन नहीं बैठ रहा हमारे कोर्स में, हमें बिट्स बिट्स
Connection must.
नजर आ रहे हैं।
That's what. See, you are not able to understand. Okay.
हम्म।
Then video में सब कुछ है तो then why you join the course, Rinku?
क्योंकि मुझे ये कंफ्यूजन था कि ये एसएपी इजी एक्सेस में कौन काम करेगा, एंड यूजर का
इसीलिए
क्या काम है, कंसल्टेंट
किसी
का
से
क्या
पूछा
काम।
ज्वाइन करने से पहले फिर आप.
किसी से नहीं पूछा मैंने किसी से कुछ नहीं
When
पूछा,
you have
मैंने बस
everything at your table, why you join the course?
क्योंकि मेरे कुछ कंफ्यूजन डाउट्स थे।
No.
एंड यूजर का डाउट था कि उसका क्या रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहेगा, मेरा क्या रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहेगा। मेरा ये हर समय डाउट है। अभी अभी देखो आपके सामने हुआ कि ये SAP इजी एक्सेस में गई हूँ, देन आई गॉट टू नो कि नहीं ये मेरा काम नहीं है, तुम्हारे को ये नहीं करना है, तुम्हारे को सिर्फ बैकएंड में काम करना है। तो जब बैकएंड में काम करेंगे तो जब जो जो एम्प्लॉई एज अ एंड यूजर SAP इजी एक्सेस में काम कर रहा है, उसको यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आएगा तो वो टिकट रेज करेगा। मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं है बाबा
What
यहाँ
is
पे
ticket? What is ticket?
टिकट्स इज अब एंड यूजर का अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आता है वो डायरेक्टली आपको कॉल नहीं करते हैं, उनको एक टिकट, ये सिस्टम बनाया गया है कि पहले वो एक टिकट रेज करेंगे जो भी
ये
उनका।
आप कैसे जानते हैं आप टिकट है वो?
सॉरी,
How do you know they will raise ticket? From
हम
where
तो
you
डे टू
got
डे
this
हस्बैंड
knowledge?
वाइफ बात करते हैं तो मेरे हस्बैंड ने मुझे बताया दे रेज ए टिकट, टिकट्स के भी लेवल होते हैं, P1 P2
सीवीआरटी
P3।
लेवल्स होते हैं।
हम्म। फिर मैंने वो थोड़ा वीडियो में भी देखा था ये होता क्या है, टिकट्स कैसे रेज करते हैं।
That is a problem. You already have some knowledge. You already have a knowledge. You are trying to connect what you have, what your husband is speaking, what you're learning, many things. Okay. You are a self-learner. You can learn many things on your own. Yeah, Rinku.
तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन ये था कि हम जो सीख बना रहे हैं, कंपनी क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, उनका एक
आप जो
दूसरे से
मतलब
कनेक्शन नहीं
आप
बैठ
जो
रहा।
सोच रहे हैं वो नहीं होता आपको ट्रेनिंग में. ओके.
हम्म
Every training is a different. You can't get an output. आपको ऐसा है कि you are expecting such a way that so programming code कैसे दिखता, output कैसे आता, क्या आता. It's not possible to teach each and everything.
ओके।
Okay. So आप वो निकाल सकते तो निकाल दो. Okay. So what you are learning? There are many things to be taught. Okay. Have you seen SAP HR any kind of sample material?
नो, नेवर।
Do that. See, get one slide of SAP. Get one slide of SAP and see. They give the material. That's it. The student has to. They need to complete the slides. Daily 500 slides, 600 slides. They will teach the concept and they will give some questions. They have to do it on their own. The
Who will
examination is
give
of
those slides? Really sorry to interrupt you. Who will give those
SAP,
slides? Okay.
SAP company. SAP company.
Hmm.
When you pay your 3 lakhs or 2 lakhs, online में 2 lakhs और offline में personal coaching 3 plus tax. I don't know the recent price. They will give you the material. They only give you the material. They will not teach you the practicals. But the theory part is very good to understand. Okay, the theory part is very good to understand. But once you learn the theory, then again you have more questions for practicals. Okay, because you are not an HR background, then you start. I learned so many things in the theory. Why am I unable to learn these things practically? Again, that will create a gap in your mind. You will not go for a job.
ओके श्रीनी, एक क्वेश्चन इधर भी आता है। आपने अभी बोला कि SAP की तरफ से वो ट्रेनिंग दिया जाता है। आई नो दैट वो 8,000 7,000 के आसपास वो लोग लेते हैं। सो
Yeah.
ये वही है ना कि कुछ कंपनीज में जो एम्प्लॉय काम कर रहे हैं उनको भी ई बुक देते हैं वो लोग ट्रेन करने के लिए कि अगर आप सेल्फ ट्रेन होना चाहते हैं तो आप खुद कर सकते हैं। सो दिस इज द
That
सेम
is
थिंग यू।
no, not that ebook training. I'm talking about personal training.
ओके।
Personal training, classroom training.
ओके, क्लासरूम ट्रेनिंग, गॉट
Classroom training.
इट। ओके।
मेरे स्टूडेंट्स classroom training वाले बहुत सारे हैं. Not so many things are there in your mind. You have knowledge from your husband. You have knowledge on your own. You have knowledge from videos which you have already learned. So all these things are disturbing me by your questions. Okay.
ओके।
You pick some question from your video. You pick some question from your research. I'm not saying your questions are not relevant. It is relevant. Okay, that is when you get a job, you start doing all the things.
जॉब
Yeah,
तब मिलता है जब आप इंटरव्यू क्लियर करते हैं। इंटरव्यू तब
yeah,
क्लियर होता है जब आपका कंसेप्ट पूरा क्लियर है, एटलीस्ट
yeah.
30%
Yes,
40% तो क्लियर है। अगर
yes,
आपने
concept.
बिट्स
You are
बिट्स में सीखा
absolutely
है तो
right.
आपका कंसेप्ट कैसे क्लियर होगा?
Yeah,
देन
you
हाउ विल
are
यू गेट अ
absolutely
जॉब?
right. You are absolutely right, Rinku. These are all basic concepts you are asking. Okay. I just told you, no, you learn, if you want to learn SAP, you need to have an HR background. You need to have an HR background. You don't have HR experience. You don't have HR background. So that entire HR exposure, entire HR business process, it's not possible for me to teach. Okay. So if
बट
you want to
श्रीनी
learn,
ऐसा है कि अगर हम रिक्रूटमेंट में आते हैं तो ऐसा तो नहीं होता है कि हम क्लास में बैठे, ओके आज हम रिक्रूटमेंट करेंगे, रिक्रूटमेंट में हम क्रिएट मीडिया करेंगे एंड देन यू जस्ट गोलियां दागनी शुरू कर देते हैं। एंड आई वाज लाइक थिंकिंग, बाबा ये रिक्रूटमेंट तो ठीक है कि हम किसी को हायर करते हैं, बट ये डायरेक्ट पोजीशन क्रिएट करके विजुलाइज करना शुरू कर दें। So how
so what?
person can visualize by sitting at the seat and back end and he will think okay end user को शायद ऐसा दिखेगा, okay ऐसा दिखना
But
चाहिए।
उतना लेवल पे आप मत जाइए आप डोंट विजुअलाइज ओके आपका एक्सपेक्टेशन खुद यू हैव मोर एक्सपेक्टेशंस अगर आप रिक्रूट रहे थे किसी को रिक्रूट ही नहीं करते आप ओके रिंकू
Yeah, you can say that, yeah.
100%
I
आई कैन अगर आप एसएबी में रिक्रूटमेंट आए थे यू नॉट रिक्रूट एनीबॉडी ओके लेट अस टेक दैट हम एक फिल्म निकाल रहे हैं सबका काम आप ही कर लेंगे क्या नहीं प्रोड्यूसर का काम करेगा डायरेक्टर का काम ओके स्पॉट बॉय का काम करेगा एक्टर का काम nobody will interfere individual person will not do all the SAP project so this is a general okay this is a general course where we're having some percentage of knowledge in every module after doing that then you choose which module you want to go you attend interview then you'll be knowing oh this is the area again I need to focus you focus on that okay this is absolutely not a course where you'll get a job on recruitment you can try a job you just claim that you know when you get into a job unlike technical modules functional modules are different SAP HR is different HANA if you're learning HANA you'll be knowing whether you are at 25% or 30% or 40% knowledge but in SAP your projects depend sometimes you may be given only OM sometimes you are given only PA sometimes you may be given let us say that you are really working on the SAP project you have worked only on PA you don't have knowledge in other areas you will tell them I worked only on PA I don't have knowledge on payroll many things are there hello
yeah, I'm listening.
yeah वैसा रहता है आपको just
Okay.
simply try to expertise this don't use okay it's very good but in your case don't use those kind of integration part now itself okay I told you to read I was talking about blueprint you told that somebody has shared you blueprint and configuration document have you gone through that anytime
Sorry, what did you say?
I told you to go through the blueprint you told
Yes.
Radha I shared you have you gone through that
Yes, I yeah, उसको
show
पढ़ने
me
के बाद
that
ही
document
it's here. अच्छा, recruitment, this one, right?
blueprint document
Okay, that blueprint, okay. Yeah. Um, that's difficult to understand actually for me.
blueprint
Yes, that blueprint. Yeah, you're right. That
yeah
blueprint.
can you show me that what is that blueprint document
Okay, just give me a moment. Uh, I think it's somewhere. Okay, just okay. No, it's just let me. I have to search where I kept it. If I show you tomorrow, will that be okay?
no again I don't want to trouble your time and money because let me show because I should know what are the knowledge you have what are the documents you are reading
Okay. and then
Just
okay.
5 minutes you can.
Yeah. Okay.
You can stop the sharing if you want for 2 minutes, and then you can search and show me.
Just give me a moment.
Yeah,
Okay.
take your own time. 1 second, I am muting my mic.
Yep.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
You're talking to me?
Yeah, I can hear.
I
Yeah, Rinku.
think I'm not able to see where did I see actually. That's the problem, I think. I seen here somewhere, Master
Yeah,
Transition.
no problem. We'll try. Open the TM1.
This is time management, I think.
This is
Yeah, time management TM.
this is a SAP
No,
document.
this is time management. Know it was
No, wait a
blueprint.
second. Not that blueprint. That is not blueprint. That is SAP document. TM1, please open TM1.
Okay.
TM1, as I told you, SAP certificate, when you go for SAP learning, what are the material they'll provide? TM1 open karo.
It's here. Look. Okay. High
Yeah.
level business blueprint, human resource management.
Okay. Yeah, have you gone through this?
Yeah, I read this and I
Scroll down.
understood some part. I understood like,
Scroll down.
okay, just
Scroll.
leave it. Its complete contents are here.
You take this printout and read, not on the system.
Sorry?
Yeah, printout लेके पढ़िए. Don't read it on the laptop.
Okay.
Scroll down. Yeah. Scroll down. You read this.
Mm-hmm.
Don't read any other material. Only read this.
Okay.
Okay. But in this also, you will be having doubts. How to integrate, how to get them output. Just forget about the output. Okay. Production, you don't worry about the production part. You only worry about the customization and configuration. Okay. You read this document, it will help you and to understand you. This document will help you to fill your gap as you don't have an SAP HR expertise. Okay, ye padho.
Okay.
Only one document you read, but don't ask questions. Okay.
About blueprint?
Yeah, anything. Yeah, blueprint you read. If you have any doubts, make a note and write down your query. Okay. Write down your query, but don't ask me.
Okay.
Write down your query.
And whom should I ask if I have a query questions
This is
about?
something related with not with the training. This is the next level. Okay.
Okay.
This is the next level.
Mm-hmm.
When you work on a project, okay. But I'll not promise, but I'll try to clarify in the end of the course.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, pada, whenever you, suppose you are reading this page number 1, some topic, put an heading today. Let us say, don't read the entire document today, one day. Take one, let us say this business blueprint, SAP HR module, appraisal process. Okay. Right. Understand. First column, second column, third column. Then you make a note. What are your queries? Don't do research. Don't Google. Just try it and doubt upside mein likh lo. Okay. In the end of the course, I'll try to. By the time you'll be getting good exposure about all the modules. Okay. So this is generally done after doing the course. You'll be joining in one more course, advanced level course. In that,
Okay.
we'll be giving this document.
Okay.
Okay.
So how many? So कितने कोर्स हैं जैसे फर्स्ट बिगिनर के बाद में?
It all depends. One course is enough. All other courses you can develop on your own if you have an HR background. As you don't have HR background, you just depend on this book.
Okay.
That is sufficient. Okay.
Got it.
ये पढ़ो आप.
Okay, I'll read this one.
Read and definitely it will satisfy all your queries. This book. But
Okay.
don't expect me at this level. Those all queries I'll be able to show you. Okay. It's not possible. We are working on a training system. You can't get an output. Each and every output you can't expect in these training activities.
Okay.
So you have many things which are not supposed to be with you before before this training. So whenever you are getting free time, you are reading many things, right? How many hours you are spending, Rinku?
I don't count hours actually.
But
Whenever I get a free time, I just start researching and all that. So I
don't do
generally don't.
research. The more you read, the more you get confused in SAP. That is the reason many people they not get job because up inside ही आप satisfied नहीं है तो how do you go for a resume? How do you prepare and how you try for a job? पहले आप ही सोचेंगे अरे मेरे को ये डाउट क्लैरिफाई नहीं हुआ ये क्लैरिफाई नहीं किया ट्रेनर I'm unable to clarify. My husband भी clarify नहीं कर रहे. Nobody is clarifying. How can I go for interview? If they ask, what I'll tell? यही सोचेंगे आप.
वो गैप, हाँ वो एक वो रहता है दिमाग
हाँ,
में
because
कि
अब बचपन से ऐसे है आप. You are like that. School, college, wherever you go, you want to learn each and everything. Strong foundation, strong आपको visualization strong है. That's good. But in SAP point उतना ज्यादा रहने से आप ट्राई नहीं कर पाते आप जॉब को.
राइट, इट मे बी वन
Okay,
रीजन.
you sit with your husband and you ask, वो उनको जॉब कैसे मिला? Did he how he
वो तो
learned?
जॉब फेयर, इंजीनियरिंग डेज
Campus
में ही
placement.
जस्ट ही
Campus
पिक्ड,
placement and he
या
got trained.
कैंपस प्लेसमेंट, यप यू आर राइट.
Okay, so that उनका एग्जाम्पल हमको सूट नहीं होगा. He got in
सॉरी.
campus placement. उनका एग्जाम्पल हमारे केस में हमारे आपके लिए सूट नहीं होगा. He is a campus placement guy, right?
यस यू आर राइट.
Technical models are different. Functional models are different. Okay.
ओके.
ये आप दिल से आप कैसे निकाल पाते हैं, कितना जल्दी निकाल पाते हैं, that will be good for you. Okay, I can say that you are a self learner and you are very dedicated. You are very good.
सो
You have
एक
many things.
क्वेश्चन
I think
है
you.
श्रीनी यहाँ पे.
नहीं,
ये
रिंकू जी, आप सब डॉक्यूमेंट जो भी जितने भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं आप पढ़ रहे हैं?
या अभी पढ़ा है मैंने, जैसे रिक्रूटमेंट का पढ़ा है. अभी आपने बोला
तो
ब्लूप्रिंट पढ़ना है
आपने
तो मैं
ज्वाइन कर दिया, उन लोगों ने आपको भेज दिया पूरा विदाउट चेकिंग क्या भेजना क्या नहीं भेजना.
सॉरी.
So you join the course and they will send you all the documents without checking क्या document आपको भेजना क्या नहीं भेजना. They have sent you all the things. जितने भी SAP का material है, they have send you, right?
Who send me material? Radha sent me.
That's what Radha or whoever it may be. ठीक है. So generally that will some documents will be sent after the course. कोर्स होने के बाद 15 days के बाद भेजने का कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स है.
Okay, so
You have all the things in advance. Like good that you need not ask them again and again. Send me this. ठीक है, no problem. Yeah, he was asking some doubt.
ये आप वो एक बार बताएं कि अगर मैं डायरेक्ट कंसल्टेंट के लिए ट्राई कर रही हूँ, ये सही है डिसीजन है कि मुझे एज ए एंड यूजर इस फील्ड में वर्क करना चाहिए करीब 1 साल 2 साल, एंड देन आई शुड ट्राई फॉर द कंसल्टेंट. व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
पैसे पे अच्छा नॉलेज गेन करो. You try for both the jobs as but first preference give to consulting only, not end user. Not end user, give for consulting.
ओके.
आपने बोला आपका BSc
यप.
या BSc है ना. Go for consulting only. Go for consulting. End user भी कर सकते हैं अगर आपका OEM PA है तो. PA personal administration आप कर सकते हैं, but other modules you can't do because you don't have HR background and HR experience नहीं है आपको.
ओके.
वर्कफ्लो चाहिए आपको, बिजनेस प्रोसेस अंडरस्टैंडिंग चाहिए आपको. तो इट्स बेटर फोकस. अगर एंड यूजर है तो पर्सनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ज्वाइन करके आप खुद ज्वाइन, मतलब इफ यू गेट ए जॉब यू लर्न. देख के आप सीख सकते हैं, वो तो मैं पक्का बोल सकता हूँ. मगर अदर मॉडल्स लाइक रिक्रूटमेंट इज वेरी टफ. पर्सनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एक ही कर सकते हैं आप. पेरोल इज वेरी टफ. पेरोल नहीं देंगे एंड यूजर. यू नीड टू हैव एन एक्सपीरियंस. Payroll is very tough as an end users. People who are very good in end user activities, they are not good in consulting. People who are very good in consulting, they are not good in end user activities. Okay, ये आईना है. End user is like आईना. जो आप कर रहे हैं दिखना चाहिए आपको. Okay, whatever you are doing in ING activities, that activities they do it here. End users ये एक आईने की तरह उन लोग यहाँ पे करेंगे काम. Okay, मगर in this training, in this system, in this 1 month or 40 days time, it's not possible to any trainer to teach you the with all the output.
Mhm.
Okay, अगर आप
Hmm.
एक फोटो लिए अब वो आउटपुट आने के लिए टेक्स टाइम एंटायर फिल्म होने के बाद ही आउटपुट आता, राइट? एक जगह उन
Hmm.
लोग फिल्म निकालेंगे, एक जगह फाइट, एक जगह स्टोरी, एक जगह सम लोकेशन डिफरेंट एट वन शॉट यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट द फिल्म अगर वो आने से भी आपको समझ में नहीं आता. So there are so many people involved when you are doing the project.
Mhm.
Okay, only one or two activities are possible to show you, but all activities book में जो है ना blueprint में,
Mhm.
that is also not possible to cover. There are many things in recruitment. Only you have many recruitments.
Mhm.
Okay, एक
Okay.
ESS रहता है, एक MSS रहता है, एक
Yes,
e-recruitment
ESS.
रहता है. So those
Mhm.
are so many things are there. So these things once you get into the job, sometimes they give you the training. Like your husband, he got campus placement, they are given training. That is different. Okay. If you want
Mhm.
to be a programmer also, they will teach you how to write a programmer. They will not tell you how to develop a package. एक एक प्रोग्राम इंडिविजुअली सिखा सकते हैं आपको.
Hmm.
एंटायर टीम वर्क रहेगा पूरा. जब एवरीथिंग इफ यू वांट टू डेवलप ए बिग प्रोजेक्ट, अभी पोर्टल है आपको, लेट अस से Amazon पोर्टल,
Mhm.
you should know how to do a programming. If you are good in that, they will take you. But a one person will not be given the task to develop the entire portal, e-portal, right?
Mhm.
E-commerce portal. So your expectations are more, and the inputs you have many things. Already you have pre-knowledge of SAP. So many things are troubling you. I can understand. I'm very sorry. अब 2 दिन आप उसके ऊपर ये किया.
No, that's
You would
okay.
have मेल लिखना था, नहीं तो कुछ राधा से बोलना था ना. She was telling, sir, we are
Yeah, I
doing.
messaged Radha. She was
Yeah,
asking
sir,
for
you
class.
told
I said
to
no,
something to
I'm
research
working.
and she was doing. मैं सोचा था yeah, I've given only end user activities research करो, documents find out करो बोला मैं.
Hmm. Okay,
As
I'll
I
work on
told,
this blueprint, that
yeah,
blueprint, business blueprint, and I'll read those documents.
yeah.
And
That's the
I'll.
reason. As you told, you have a job, ready-made job in your house. That will be easy. Then I told, आपको end user training का नहीं हो सकता इधर, but you will have a simulation scenarios in that. आप Google में research करो.
Hmm.
There will be अभी जो document है ना, वैसा document अगर Google में आपको मिलने से end user activity का, it will be useful to you. I tried and I could not able to get any document. As I
Mhm.
told you, no, I'll be trying from my side. I could not able to get any document आपके लिए.
Mhm.
So you're trying. Let us do some trial. Because he was doing something practically on system.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay. So this
Also,
is
Srini, if I go for the interview and they will ask how many modules in the SCM, so what should I say? PA?
they'll not ask you.
Okay. Okay.
They'll not ask you because there see every day there are so many models coming up. Okay. You can just say that. They'll not ask you that question models because uh, a trainer will tell these are the models you have, but the interviewer will not ask how many models you have. Based on your resume, they will be asking you questions. Rinku,
Mhm.
they'll be asking you questions based on your resume.
So in resume, I'll add those points like whatever I work here, like recruitment and the training,
That
event
is the,
management,
that is the
personal.
reason, That is the reason I asked you take your husband help and prepare your resume. Or take somebody's dummy resume who is having 1 year of experience, 2 years of experience initially. So I'll be there to help you. That was the reason. That was the reason behind that
But
asking you to prepare your resume so that I can guide you.
yeah, in resume, I'll add these things.
No,
Recruitment. In recruitment, I'll add workforce requirement,
no,
recruitment
recruitment
is
ad karna, you will not get job on recruitment.
okay. So
Okay,
yeah,
it's
that's
very.
question. Should I add this recruitment and
You
these
can
things
add. You
like
can add. I have done 2 3 kiya tha main. So only to build up your resume. Okay,
okay.
resume minimum 2 3 pages रहना चाहिए ना.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So when you just go for a job 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, उसके लिए क्या किए थोड़ा बहुत ओके। अगर अभी और एक काम करो आप, एक रेज्यूम ले लो वहाँ का,
किसका
इंडिया का,
रेज्यूम?
इंडिया
अच्छा।
में, नहीं तो इफ यू हैव एनी फ्रेंड्स, डमी रेज्यूम एसएपी एचआर का,
हम्म।
पीपल विद 1 year एक्सपीरियंस का रेज्यूम ले लो आप,
ओके।
then you see what are their resumes.
But in resume, I can't add that I have a 1 year experience. That's the fake. That's not right. How
So
can I say that?
what you had,
As rookie, I just rookie, no experience.
yeah.
What
So
what do you
that's
suggest? Tell me.
yeah, we'll talk about that later. But एक साल का रेज्यूम देखो आप,
Okay.
उन लोग क्या किए क्या नहीं किए आपको पता चलेगा। एसोसिएट कंसल्टेंट का कुछ रेज्यूम आप
अच्छा, ठीक है। ओके।
फ्रेंड सर्कल में किसी का है तो आप ले लो।
हाँ, ठीक है, वो लेकर के मैं करती हूँ। पर मुझे
हाँ,
डाउट है यहाँ पे कि अगर मैंने 1 साल का एक्सपीरियंस उसमें रिज्यूमे में रखा है, तो वो तो मुझसे पूछेगा कि प्रैक्टिकल हैंड्स ऑन किधर किया बाबा? तो मैं क्या बोलूँगी? मैंने तो खाली आईडीएस पे किया है, मेरा तो कोई प्रैक्टिकल है ही नहीं। क्या क्या बोलूँगी? 1 ईयर में मैंने किया क्या?
वो फेक रखना चाहिए, फेक। दैट इज द रीजन आई आस्क्ड यू टू टेक योर हस्बैंड हेल्प।
हाँ, हाँ। नहीं, नहीं, ही इज़ गोइंग टू मेक इट, उन्होंने मेरे को बोला। बट उन्होंने मेरे को बोला कि आई एम रेडी टू मेक अ फेक लाइक काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस। ओके। पर मेरे को ये है कि अगर मैं उसमें डालती हूँ मुझे 1 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस है, तो
दे
ऑब्वियसली
विल
वो
पुशिंग कौन सा कंपनी से किया, कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट किया, दैट विल दे विल बी आस्किंग।
हाँ, पूछेंगे वो मेरे से।
वो भी
तो
डमी
मैं
रखना चाहिए, दैट इज आल्सो
अच्छा, वो
डमी।
ओके, ठीक है, वो भी डम्मी रख दूंगी। उसके बाद में वो ऑब्वियसली फिर मेरे से पूछेंगे क्या क्या काम किया है, तुम बताओ मेरे को।
ये वो आप विजुअलाइज करके तब आपका विजुअलाइजेशन काम आएगा।
ओके।
तब
ठीक है।
आपका विजुअलाइजेशन जो अभी सोचे ना,
हम्म।
दैट विल हेल्प यू।
ओके।
आप ओरली बोलना चाहिए उनको,
हम्म।
मतलब ऐसा ऐसा सोच के आपको वर्क फ्लो सोच के आपको उनको बताना चाहिए।
ओके।
ओके।
तो वो मेरे को चाहिए गाइडेंस इसमें कि मेरे को 1 साल का बोलना है तो क्या किस तरीके से प्लान करके मेरे को बोलना है, क्योंकि मुझको नहीं पता है कैसे प्लान करके बताना पड़ेगा मुझे। आई हैव नो आइडिया।
नो
तो मुझे
प्रॉब्लम।
लगता है उसमें भी मेरे को समझना पड़ेगा, कुछ तो गाइडेंस देना पड़ेगा ना।
या यू रिक्वायर एंटायर गाइडेंस।
हाँ, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता है इसके बारे में ऐसा, क्योंकि मेरे हस्बैंड ने ऐसा नहीं किया, वो तो डायरेक्ट हो गया उनका। वो मेरे को
उनका
बोलते हैं कि
डिफरेंट
एज
आपका। जी,
हम्म
सर ने क्या बोला आपको,
वो तो
आपके
बोलते
हस्बैंड
हैं
ने?
कि एक्सपीरियंस तो क्या डालोगे, तुम्हारा कोई एक्सपीरियंस थोड़ी ना है, तुम तो रुकी हो। एक्सपीरियंस तो तुम हैंड्स ऑन वहां जाके करोगी, बट तुमने जो काम किया है डीएस पे वो डालोगी ना तुम। तो मैंने बोला है मुझको कौन जॉब देगा ऐसे, अगर मैं ऐसे सीधा सीधा लिख दूंगी,
देन
सीधा बन के थोड़ा ना जॉब मिलता है। यू हैव टू बी लिटिल, थोड़ा सा उंगली टेढ़ा करना पड़ता है ना कि ओके फाइन, थोड़ा सा ऐसे डालना पड़ेगा ना कि 1 ईयर का कुछ ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस करके डालना पड़ेगा उसमें कि मैंने काम किया है, और थोड़ा मुझे
ऐसे
अपना
भी
दिमाग से।
जॉब, ऐसे भी जॉब अगर अगर 1000 लोग सीख रहे तो उन लोग 10% विल गेट अ जॉब,
हम्म
लाइक सीए। ओके, पासिंग परसेंटेज इज वेरी लेस,
हम्म
बिकॉज सीखने का और जॉब का गैप ज्यादा रहता। 3 साल का एक्सपीरियंस वाला चाहिए बोलते, 5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस वाला चाहिए बोलते।
ऑब्वियसली।
तो गैप तो रहेगा आपको। तो
हम्म
जो एक्सपीरियंस है उन लोगों को भी बहुत मुश्किल होता है जो एचआर में काम करते हैं।
हम्म
एचआर में सपोज आप कर रहे, समझो आप एचआर में करने से पूरा डिपार्टमेंट आप नहीं संभालते एचआर का। शायद आप
ऑब्वियसली।
रिक्रूटमेंट संभालते होंगे, नहीं तो पेरोल संभालते होंगे, नहीं तो अटेंडेंस देखते होंगे, नहीं तो कंप्लेंट्स देखते होंगे, फाइलिंग गवर्नमेंट के तरफ से लाइसेंस।
हम्म
ओके, इवन दोस पीपल विल आल्सो हैव लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रगलिंग टू गेट इन एचआर। किसी किसी को 6 मंथ्स रहता, किसी किसी को 1 ईयर, 2 साल, 3 साल भी ट्राई करते रहते जॉब के लिए
हम्म
इंडिया में। आई डोंट नो अबाउट यूएस मार्केट नाउ एट प्रेजेंट इन पैंडेमिक।
यूएस में तो इजी है, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, जॉब मिलता है, लोग काम नहीं करना चाहते हैं। यहाँ इजीली मिल जाता है जॉब। अकॉर्डिंग टू माय हस्बैंड, आई आई हैव नो एक्सपीरियंस। ओके। but he said कि यहाँ job
What
मिल
was your
जाता है.
idea? Sorry to ask you. I mean, I pushed ahead. So,
Mhm.
how you joined this course? What was you? Why you joined? What was your
मेरे
expectation?
मेरे
आप कैसे
हाँ
जॉब के लिए सोचे आप?
एक्चुअली मेरे हस्बैंड की तरफ से मुझको मिला कि एक यू कैन वर्क एज एन फंक्शनल कंसल्टेंट. You don't
Okay.
need to be like a coding and all stuff.
Yeah,
No need
easy.
for the
Learning is easy.
language. It's
Hmm.
easy because he has some colleagues. He has some colleagues. He is working with them. They are a functional consultant,
Consultants.
and it's very easy. They said it is easy to get into the system and then learn over there. You don't need to, to do work outside the
ओके,
system.
कितने दिन में आपको कोर्स आप उन्होंने बोला कि आप ये ज्वाइन कर लो, अब ज्वाइन किए, कितने दिन में जॉब लगने का आप सोचे आप?
मैंने अभी तक जॉब के बारे में नहीं सोचा. मैंने इसको समझने का सोचा कि मुझे एक्चुअली पता तो होना चाहिए ये क्या चीज है ये. तो मैंने एक करीब 1.5 महीना हो गया इस पे रिसर्च कर रही थी, वो वीडियो देख के सीख रही थी. तो कहीं कहीं ऐसे अटक, जैसे आज हुआ ये ऐसे पीजी एक्सेस का ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ, तो ऐसे मैं अटक जाती हूँ. तो वहां मुझे हेल्पिंग हैंड चाहिए कि ओके ये जो है तुम्हारा काम नहीं है, तुम्हारे को नहीं करना पड़ेगा, तुमको सिर्फ उधर करना है, उसको समझो, उसका प्रोसेस समझो. तो मेरा यही प्रॉब्लम ओएम में हुआ था कि एंड यूजर का काम था, पर मैं उसको समझने का कोशिश कर रही थी ये दिखेगा कैसे, मैं अगर इधर कर रही हूँ बैक एंड में, उसको पता कैसे होगा, और मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि एंड यूजर को ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. मुझे नहीं पता है तो मैं उसका सोल्यूशन कैसे करूंगी. It's like simple, like if if you are a patient, you know your problem, that I have a pain in my leg, in my foot,
यस यस
and a doctor he knows. अगर तुम्हारे
यस यस.
पैर में पेन है तो these may be 3 or 4 reasons. तो वो और आपसे डीप 3-4 क्वेश्चन पूछेगा और उसका एनालिसिस करके वो प्रिडिक्ट कर सकता है कि ये एक कॉज हो सकता है, और उसके बेसिस पे वो आपको मेडिसिन देता है, प्रिस्क्राइब करेगा, एंड देन आपसे सिम्टम पूछेगा कि रिलीफ मिलता है, फाइन, देन दैट्स मेडिसिन इन वर्किंग. तो मैंने जो प्रिडिक्ट किया वो सही है. दैट्स हाउ थिंग्स वर्क, इन डे टू डे लाइफ, दैट्स हाउ थिंग्स वर्क. सो आई वाज थिंकिंग कि हाँ, मुझे अगर पता होगा कि एंड यूजर को ये स्क्रीन में ये सब दिखता है, ओके, तो ये स्क्रीन में क्यों दिख रहा है, जैसे हम एक्शन बोले, वो मुझे बोलेगा कि मेरे नीचे एरर आ रहा है कि आईजी मोड में प्रॉब्लम है, आईजी मोड क्रिएट नहीं किया, वहां पे प्रॉब्लम है. तो मुझे पता है ओके, जब हम एक्शंस इन्फो टाइप के सेट्स बना रहे हैं तो वहां पे मैंने आईजी मोड दिया नहीं है, तो इसीलिए उसको वो एरर आ रहा है, तो मैंने ये गलती कर दिया, तो मैं वहां पे जाके करेक्शन करूंगी. अभी मेरे को पता ही नहीं, ये हुआ मेरे साथ में. एंड यूजर बन के जब मैं फिल कर रही थी, मैं रीजन दे रही थी कि, तो मैंने जैसे ही एंटर दबाया, नीचे रीजन आया कि तुमने आईजी मोड का एरर है. देन मेरा घंटी बजा, मैंने करे आईजी मोड में मैंने दिया ही नहीं है. देन आई वेंट बैक अगेन एंड वो सारा प्रोसेस फॉलो किया. देन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन असाइनमेंट में आया तो वहां पे भी एक एरर आया था. मैंने अ, अपना कंपनी बना के उसका चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट्स भी बनाया कंपनी का पूरा, ताकि मुझे वो एरर ना आए, वरना वो एरर आएगा तो मैं आगे काम नहीं कर सकती हूँ कि वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन असाइनमेंट एंड देन उसके
अगर
सारे
क्या है एसएपी में, यू आर डूइंग वन सीक्वेंस, अगर एरर आए तो छोड़ दो आप एरर. आप ये करने के लिए कोशिश मत करो, बिकॉज वी आर वर्किंग ऑन आइडियाज. ओके, दैट इज वन थिंग.
हम्म,
Your
हम्म,
time will be wasted when you start.
हम्म,
Instead of trying to clarify that error, go with the next activity.
हम्म.
Okay. You are expert in constitutional law, right?
Yes, Constitution of India. Sorry, did you ask about my PG, right?
Yeah. So Article 21 in District Court,
Sorry.
constitutional rights. Can I claim in this District Court? Like, matlab, can we file anything, liberty or any of the Constitution? From which court will enforce these rights? District courts or High Court or Supreme Court?
अभी तो मेरे से मत पूछना, मैंने करीब 15 साल पहले छोड़ दिया सब. आई
No,
जस्ट
no,
लेफ्ट
just
एवरीथिंग.
asking.
अभी तो मैं बिल्कुल भी टच में नहीं
Okay,
हूँ.
just asking.
हम्म,
Yeah, like when it is about rights and question of law, only High Court will take care, right?
हम्म,
अगर आप क्वेश्चन ऑफ लॉ के ऊपर फाइट कर रहे हैं तो हाई कोर्ट में फाइट करना, क्वेश्चन ऑफ फैक्ट्स के ऊपर फाइट कर रहे हैं तो लोअर कोर्ट में फाइट करना, है कि नहीं? बट यू आर लर्निंग में ऑल द थिंग्स इन द लॉ ओनली, वे टू यूज, व्हेन टू यूज, with experience only you will be getting,
Yeah,
is
you
it
are
not?
right. You are right.
Because there are many things. पुलिस वाले को आईपीसी नॉलेज चाहिए, पीपी
Hmm.
को पीपी को प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज चाहिए, कैसे प्रेजेंट करना, कैसे व्हेन टू टेक एग्जामिनेशन, क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन, जज को दोनों मिला के जजमेंट कैसे देना नॉलेज चाहिए. दिस ऑल कम्स विद एन एक्सपीरियंस. You can only have a simulation kind of a visualization, but many things, many of your doubts will clarify once you get into the job. आप ये मत सोचो कि जॉब कैसे मिलेंगे. You have to find a job. A lawyer, once they've done LLB or LLM, if you go to the court, everything is new. What is learning in the college and what is how to file a case. किसके पास
Right.
जाना, क्या फाइल करना, क्या रखना, क्या स्टैम्प, क्या फीस, एवरीथिंग दे विल नॉट टीच इन द कॉलेज. Once you get into that, you will learn. Court fees क्या रखना, वकालत क्या फाइल करना, is it not? Yes, sir. Many
Yeah.
things you learn once you really go to the court and practice only. So without practicing also, you can claim you have a experience of a lawyer. You can write a judge's exam. Still also you can pass a judge's exam and get into the judge seat, right? Again there will be training. Freshers also now, LLB freshers also eligible to write for a judge's exam without experience. तो 3 महीने का कोर्स रहता, then they are appointed as a judges, trainee judges, right? Somebody will be there to support them. In the same way, this also, everything will, you will get more knowledge once you start working in a real time issue. Virtual is virtual,
Yes,
college life
yeah.
is college. Whatever you learn in a college, that's okay. अगर आप फिल्म मेकिंग भी लर्न कर रहे हैं, जब तक आप एक एपिसोड छोटा सा सीरियल नहीं निकालते आपको नॉलेज नहीं होता, राइट? यू विल बी हैविंग ए प्रैक्टिकल डिफिकल्टीज.
Yep.
अभी आपका क्या है, प्रैक्टिकल अभी सोच रहे हैं आप. अभी लर्निंग में आप, यू आर इन, जैसे कि आप राजस्थान में है, राजस्थान से आपको हैदराबाद आना, from there are many trains to come to Hyderabad, right? Mount Abu se many trains are there, will come and will go to Hyderabad, but that is not your problem. You are in Rajasthan, staying in Rajasthan, from Kolkata से आप हैदराबाद आने के लिए सोच रहे हैं आप. फिजिकली आप कोलकाता में नहीं है, फिजिकली यू आर इन राजस्थान, तो फिजिकली आपको जॉब नहीं है, मगर वो सोच रहे हैं आप, टेंशन हो रहा आपको. ओके, सिंपली आप जो भी
So श्रेणी, एक क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे आप बस बताएं कि मैं रिज्यूमे जब बनाती हूँ तो एटलीस्ट 1 ईयर या 6 मंथ का तो उसमें डाल दूं ना एक्सपीरियंस.
डाल सकते हैं, और कौन सा कंपनी में किया वो सब भी डालना है ना.
पर वो तो यहाँ तो बड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट है, वो लोग पता करते हैं कि किस
प्रेशर किया आप. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज have a knowledge. I have so and so qualification, so and so knowledge. Then you can try as a fresher only. Try your luck as a fresher. वहाँ पे तो everything is connected with your social security.
यस यहाँ पे पता किया जाता है, यहाँ पे वो नहीं चलता ना.
आप कितने साल से हैं वहाँ पे यूएस में?
3 years हो गया ना.
You are on, you are permitted to work, right?
Yes, I
Green
have
card?
EAD.
No.
No, EAD. I have EAD.
EAD? What is EAD?
Work authorization. I can work here, any job. Like
Okay.
if you are on the H1 visa, then you can work that particular job on which basis you get a H1 visa. So they can't switch the job, or they can't switch, like suppose he's a manager, so he cannot switch the job, but I can switch. I can work as a cook here. I can become a chef here. I can work as a consultant. I can go in any field, but he can't switch
EAD.
the job.
You told that
I
it is
can.
an EAD visa. EAD, right?
Yep. EAD. Yep.
Which state you are in? Which state?
Illinois.
Illinois. Okay. मैं भी थोड़ा आपके लिए देखूंगा.
मुझे थोड़ा ये इंटरव्यू का थोड़ा समझा देना, जैसे रिज्यूमे में कैसे करूं, अगर कोई पूछता है तो किस तरीके से, मतलब फेक तो नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम होगा ना, यहाँ पे थोड़ा पता कर लेंगे. वैसे यहाँ पे कई तरीके हैं, एज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आप काम कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे एजेंसीज है जो आपको लगा देती हैं और उनको आपको कुछ परसेंटेज देना पड़ता है,
या
डायरेक्ट भी नहीं।
30% 20% देना चाहिए।
सो उसके थ्रू भी आप कर सकते हैं।
अब बीएससी किए, एलएलबी किए, एलएलएम किए, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस कुछ किए आप इंडिया में?
जीरो जीरो, आई डिड नथिंग।
You never
मेरा
worked for any organization.
नो, आई डिडंट वर्क।
एलएलएम हुआ आपका, शादी हो गया, आप
बस
यूएस
वो
चले गए।
शादी, यस यू आर राइट, शादी हो गया एंड देन रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज।
आपका एलएलएम कब हुआ, आपका एलएलएम?
मेरा हुआ है
2000
16 आई थिंक।
2016?
Just let me
Okay.
know. Just no, no,
16,
no,
17, 18,
no,
19, 20, 21,
no,
22,
no,
6
no.
years?
No, that's wrong. That's wrong statement actually.
It's okay.
2006 and 7, I think. 6 and 7. Yeah.
Oh, it's almost
Yep.
12 years.
Yep. More
Okay.
than 12 years, I think. Yep. I have to
ये
check
आपका
it.
आइडिया है ऐसे, मतलब आपके हस्बैंड ने एंकरेज किया कुछ करो बोल
Yes,
के?
my husband. Yeah, my husband. He encouraged me.
ओके,
I
नथिंग,
know these.
डेफिनेटली अगर सर ने आपको एंकरेज किया तो डेफिनेटली मे बी हैविंग सम आइडिया हाउ टू हेल्प यू टू गेट अ जॉब। सो अभी इधर ही है आप, वो स्टेज में अभी। डोंट थिंक अबाउट दैट स्टेज नाउ
Hmm.
रिंकू।
Hmm.
ओके, अभी वो जॉब के बारे में मत सोचिए आप, फिलहाल आप ओनली फोकस ऑन व्हाट यू आर लर्निंग। अब जो भी है, अब यू आर ओपन टू टॉक वॉट एवर यू फील इनसाइड। अब जो भी, आई वेरी हैप्पी दैट आपके अंदर जो भी है आप बात किया हमसे, देन ओनली आई विल बी डूइंग राइट।
Hmm.
अब गुस्से में बात करो, अब कैसे भी बात करो, एज ए ट्रेनर आई नो व्हाट मेक्स यू टू टॉक, व्हाट मेड यू टू टॉक, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड। ओके,
I'm sorry for that. I
नो
told you if I'm being rude, I'm
नो,
sorry.
इट्स नॉट अबाउट द रोड, it's about your pain and feeling bad. You have done 2 days of research.
Hmm.
Yeah, nothing to worry. But yeah, once you get a job, you need to give a big treat.
Yeah, sure,
ये याद
Srini.
रखो, okay?
Yeah, no issues. Yes, if I get a job, suppose, and if I need any support, I'll take your support. Don't worry. I'm ready to
No,
take your support as you.
support के लिए
Yes.
I'll not be having time to support because I'll be busy. The support is a
Okay.
committed thing because it's not that 2 hours. If you get a job, because timings are different, right?
I'll no issues. Uh, I work the in your, in Indian time. Don't worry. I have
Okay.
no issue for that. So
Yeah, that's
I'll
okay.
you
But yeah,
just give
try
me
to.
time and
It's okay. We'll see about that. But अभी तो आप just focus on that. Don't focus on all the things because I am your trainer. Your success is my success. You are failing this,
Srini,
right?
y- y- I didn't know that process. Okay. अभी आपने आज मुझको बताया कि देखो अगर जॉब मिल जाता है और आपको समझ में नहीं आता है, सो आप जो है कंसल्टेंट, एज अ कंसल्टेंट यू कैन वर्क फॉर दैट। आई हैव नो इशू। सो इस तरीके के अगर कोई भी है तो यू जस्ट डिस्कस विद मी। ओके। मेरे
Yeah,
मेरे
sure.
को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मुझे इस फील्ड का कोई नॉलेज नहीं है। ओके। और मेरे हस्बैंड तो बहुत बिजी है, उनको नहीं होता इतना टाइम। सो अगर मुझे ऐसा कंसल्टेंसी का कुछ है तो आप मुझे बता देना कि देखो ऐसे भी होता है, थिंक काम सिस्टम ऐसे भी काम करता है। ओके। आपको पता है कि मैं जॉब फील्ड में नहीं हूँ, मुझे नॉलेज ज्यादा नहीं है, पर अगर सिस्टम ऐसे भी काम करता है तो मैं तो ओपन हूँ। आई विल वर्क इन दैट वे। ओके, आई हैव नो इश्यूज, लाइक किसी का हेल्प लेकर के अगर आप काम कर सकते हो, सो वी कैन हेल्प ईच अदर इन दैट वे। ओके।
Yes, yes,
ओके
yes.
श्रेणी, सो मुझे पता नहीं है, बस मुझे बता दो कोई, ठीक है ना।
Yeah, sure, sure. Okay. So
ओके।
tomorrow, if Indian time tomorrow, if I want to take a session, what time will be comfortable?
लाइक जैसे आपका मॉर्निंग का टाइम है,
Morning 10. What could be your time?
10 बोले तो यहाँ पे 10.5 आवर का डिस्टेंस रहेगा। सो
Morning 10, your time.
नाइट टाइम में देखना पड़ेगा, 1 मिनट। हाँ,
11:30.
लाइक मेरे यहाँ पे रात का टाइम रहेगा श्रीनी। सो अगर आप मॉर्निंग में 6 या 7 लेते हैं तो मेरे यहाँ पे इवनिंग आवर्स नाइट टाइम रहेगा। लाइक आपका योगा टाइम रहता है मॉर्निंग में, राइट?
नहीं, कल मैं मतलब this week का schedule I need to complete tomorrow. If I want to morning 7 मेरा टाइम, आपका क्या है वहाँ पे?
जैसे मेरा अगर इवनिंग का 8 लेते हैं,
नहीं, मॉर्निंग का बोलिए आप। कल
मेरा
मॉर्निंग का
मॉर्निंग में आप बोलो, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। मैं
नहीं, if
अभी
I'm
9 बजे
taking
नहीं।
it morning
योर मॉर्निंग और
9:30,
माई मॉर्निंग?
my morning 9:30.
9:30 तो लेट हो जाएगा मेरा।
It will be very late for you, right? Oh my God.
यस, मेरा 11 के आसपास हो जाएगा।
Like, sorry,
हमारा
7 मतलब
10.5 आवर का डिस्टेंस है।
Okay.
तो मेरा
If we can prepone tomorrow evening our session,
आपका इवनिंग ना?
yeah. If I am tomorrow morning 7 a.m. is okay.
7 एक मिनट। ओके 7 ठीक है, मेरा 10 to 11 हो जाएगा।
10 to 11 is also tough. 6 will be better, I think, 6:30 or 7. But Radha, I don't know whether she'll be able to do it or not. How do you contact Radha? By mail or by phone?
व्हाट्सएप, बाय व्हाट्सएप,
Okay.
आई हैव व्हाट्सएप नंबर।
Okay. Just talk with her if she is able to. Tomorrow 7 a.m. will be okay for you?
या आई थिंक या दैट्स वर्क फॉर मी।
If it is okay, 7 a.m. we'll have a class session at 7 a.m. to 7:40 or 7
या
40.
दैट्स फाइन, 7 AM इज फाइन। या 7 will work, yep, it
Yeah,
will be
please check.
fine.
Please check with Radha, and if he's okay, please tell her to text me.
Yeah, 7 will work for me. Like I will have a 9
Yeah,
PM at that
because
time.
generally this week I thought of taking yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but
Mm-hmm.
yesterday आप busy थे आप. But Tuesday also I was free.
Mm-hmm.
Festival था, फिर भी मैं सोचा ठीक है आप ले लेंगे. Monday he was busy, right?
ठीक है, कोई इशू नहीं है। आप 7 AM कल ले लो मॉर्निंग
कल
में
ले
मेरे
लूँगा.
इधर।
फिर again Friday we'll take in the evening
ओके
because आज का class I want to do it. So then we'll have
ओके
a training and event management module that we will do it on Friday or Saturday.
ओके।
So by that time we'll be. So when I say complete means not complete.
हम्म।
Okay. कोर्स कंप्लीट होने से पहले जो बचा हुआ है ना छोटा छोटा चीजेस, then we'll try to configure all the things.
ओके।
Okay. So we will try to OM, PA, recruitment, personal development tomorrow will conclude. Training and event management this week will conclude. So next week we'll go with the time management. Okay. And as you told, you are planning to come to India May 15th, right?
Yes, right.
So yeah, I discussed with Radha and I planned in such a way that we'll try to complete the course before May 3rd.
May 3rd, okay.
Okay, so that you'll be having 10 days time for your packing preparation and all the things.
Mm-hmm.
So officially we'll try to conclude on 3rd, and
Mm-hmm.
I'll give you 3 days time, 4th, 5th and 6th, maybe 7th.
Hmm.
Before you come to India, again I'll have 1 or 2 classes.
Okay.
Okay, once we complete the course, again you may be having some doubts, right?
Yes,
When you
yes.
revise. So we
Hmm.
will be having doubts class 1 or 2 doubts class.
Okay.
If you don't have, it's okay. We'll go. If you have any other doubts, you can ask me.
Okay.
So we'll try to complete on May 3rd, and after that, generally we'll take 1 doubt session. But for you, I'll give 1 or 2 sessions. Is okay.
Yeah, okay, let's see, because I'm new. I don't know how many doubts. I can't say anything actually,
Yeah.
Srini.
See,
As you
that is the
know, yeah.
reason I'm giving you open. For
Mm-hmm.
others, it will give only 1 doubt session,
Mm-hmm.
1 hour. But आपके लिए तो I'll be open. Whenever you
Okay.
have doubts, you can
Mm-hmm.
mail me.
Yeah, sure.
You can call to Radha.
Mhm.
I'll tell you openly whether it can be clarified or not. You can mail me any doubts.
Mhm. Yeah, sure. Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
tomorrow,
tomorrow, personal
yes,
development, right?
yeah, personal development is about recruitment, means appraisal system. It is about
Okay, so only appraisal system we will do tomorrow, right?
tomorrow, and day after tomorrow we'll do training and event management. And next week we'll do time management, and the
Okay.
next week we'll do payroll.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
please speak with Radha. If she is comfortable, we will have it tomorrow morning. If she is not comfortable, I'll not promise, but I'll try to come tomorrow evening if I am free.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Because
Mhm.
today's session I want to do it so that my schedule will not be disturbed.
Mhm. Okay.
So please tell Radha if she's okay, please tell her to text me tomorrow
Mhm.
7 a.m.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Srini,
Okay.
for today's class. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.